Okay, this is what they call the rollers. They start from where the cables have been connected. Then it comes in down, as you can see. Goes all the way. This is, you call it a mixer?
Yeah. It's a powder coating.
This is a powder coating?
Yeah, powder coating.
It goes into the extrusion machine.
Yeah. But also upside that hopper. Yeah.
Or the hopper where you put the whatevers from the extrusion machine. Alright, boy. Thank you. Then the extrusion machine comes down. It goes to where the cables go in.
It's a panel board.
This is a panel. The panel is the system control of all the machine. System controller. This is the water tank that we had talked about earlier on.
It's a cooling water tank. It's a die head.
Oh, this is interesting. Goes in two cables.
Yeah.
And then
cooking,
mixing and making from the extrusion.
Yeah.
It comes out. It goes all the way into the water system. Sorry.
The printer.
Front. Then it comes to the printer.
Yeah.
Where you can put all your labels, your words, company logos. Comes out. This is a smaller one for numbering. Makes the numbers all the way to the end.
It's a take-up.
This is a take-up.
Yeah.
Basically, it's just a controller. What does this one do?
It's separate.
This one?
You want to use big cable, so you want to use this bed.
For the big cable?
Yeah, and small cable want to use the pulley.
This one for the small cable?
Small cable want to diameter big, so one to put inside and make the catch.
Okay.
Then don't use this pulley.
So that you don't use the pulley?
Going direct and putting the pulley.
Then it comes down, ready for some.
Menu, yeah. So no winder.
This one basically is for manual water. How many meters is that? 100?
Yeah, 100.
We are ready to go. These are the materials. Puts it on the weight counter.
It's a fitting machine.
This one basically is just a fitting one. And then we have another. This is another line altogether. Hello. This is the ready finished product. That comes all the way from behind. This is a single core cable.
Yeah, this is it.
And this machine is also what?
This is the takeoff.
The takeoff.
This takeoff.
Goes all the way to the back. This is also the cooling system, the water tank for the heater. And what is it doing there?
Yeah, this is a winder. Rewinder.
Is it rewinding also?
Rewinding. Making 100 meters.
100 meters.
Yeah.
The small one down there. This already made. This is two single also.
Yeah.
This is a 2-core or single?
Two core.
This is 2-core. 2-core already made. This one is 4.1. Size medium. This is the machine. It comes into the extrusion system. board. The unwinder. So that one is just a...
Yeah, that's a color mixer.
That one is a color mixer.
Yeah, make a master bed. Raw material, what you use the master bed.
That's a color mixer. These are all material. These are all winders and unwinders. All for the other big troubles.
Big full winder.
For the big cooler.
Also when the load and upload again.
Big cooler.
You want to use the full making automatic up and down.
Up and down. The big one.
This is full. This is a twisting wire.
For the twisting wire. Alright, small factory. It's like about 30 to 40, about 30 square meters. By the time it goes all the way to the side.